What's up, everybody? Are you gonna be working with a screwdriver? Maybe around like sensitive electronics. You're gonna be working inside your computer. You're gonna have small screws. Or maybe you're even working inside your engine bay. You gotta tighten down some screws. And you're afraid that your screwdriver, if you take your finger off your fastener so you could maybe get it into that tight place, and I obviously know that you won't be using this type of screw when working in those scenarios, but we needed an example, and quite frankly, I didn't have one here for you, so we're gonna use this wood screw. But as you can see, if I needed to fit this screw into a tight place, and I needed to remove my hand, it just falls off. Are you looking for a solution for that? Well, of course you are. That's why you clicked this video. We're gonna get started right now. So what we have here is a simple Husky screwdriver, magnetizer, demagnetizer. Now, maybe you rip this thing open, you throw it in your toolbox, you don't know how to use it. Maybe that's the scenario, maybe it isn't. Maybe you just like watching how-tos, I don't know. But I'm glad you're here, and we're gonna teach you how to use this thing. So this is the Husky 100046203. It's found in aisle 14, bay 5. Psych, I'm not certain. It's gonna vary from store to store, but it's a pretty cool little tool. Let's show you how to use it. Oh, so that package is not frustration free, but using the tool is. So all you're going to do is you're going to take your screwdriver, okay, and in the magnetized slot, you're going to put your screwdriver in there, and you're going to move it back and forth. You're going to slide it in the magnetized area, okay? You get your screw set on your screwdriver, and then you're able to gently get it into that area, hopefully get it started. A smaller screw like that, get it onto the head of your screwdriver, okay? And then you're able to get that screw into that tighter area and get it started. Also, if you're working on things like motherboards, they can be a real mother to get in there, okay? You use that magnetizer, get your screw, and it could be any screwdriver, pretty much, any fastener, as long as it's not something like a stainless steel fastener, because stainless steel is not magnetic, okay? You're able to get in, get that screw into that area, and get it tightened down. That's what it's all about, right? Now, I mean, this will work on pretty much any screwdriver, even this rusty one. Move it back and forth. Look at it. And that one, see how much more magnetic it is? You get your smaller screw on your screwdriver, and you're able to get it into that tight space. Boom. I think this Husky magnetizer, pretty cool. Now, when you want to demagnetize, this is the odd thing. Instructions say to start on the lowest step, okay, and slide it over. And that's it. It should be demagnetized. My thing is that once you're magnetized, why would you ever want to go back to being non-magnetized? But as you can see, this screwdriver is totally demagnetized now. They also are saying that for some reason, if there's still some magnetization left in your screwdriver, you start on the lowest step, but then you would go up to a higher step until it's fully demagnetized. Sounds like a crazy process. So it's totally not magnetized. We wanted to remagnetize our screwdriver. We slide it back and forth. And now that screwdriver's magnetized once again. So it's a cool little tool. If you need a magnetized screwdriver, but you don't own one, and you like your screwdriver, and you wish it was magnetized. Like, I love this screwdriver, but the only thing is that it's not magnetized. I wish I could magnetize this thing. Well, this will magnetize it for you. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. If you like our content, you like our channel, and you like our style, get subscribed. Make sure, if you know somebody, they're like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. How am I ever gonna get this screwdriver, magnetized? Share this video with them. Make sure you crack that bell notification, crack it like the Liberty Bell. Let freedom ring. Why should you let freedom ring? Because number one, we're here in the Philadelphia region. Number two, the reason why you want to act like you're on Independence Mall is because we publish videos daily, we go live at least once a day, and we're constantly doing giveaways. So you're going to want to keep up with all the happenings with the very cool guys. With that, I want to say thanks for being here. We'll see you on the next one. Everybody, have a great day. So magnetic. Pretty funny, that side's not magnetic at all. I gotta go. You get your screw, you stick it on, and then when you have to remove your hand from the screw to get it into that tight area, it falls off anyway. Did you like that video? Wondering what to watch next? Well, why don't you click over here and watch this video? Or click over here and watch this video. If you really like our content, we hope you consider getting subscribed by clicking right here. Thanks a lot, and have a great day, guys.